everyone! Sa video na to, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-subtract ng mixed number with similar fraction.
For example, we have 8 and 17 over 24 minus 6 and 9 over 24. Observe natin yung fraction natin, yung proper fraction, pareho sila ng denominator which is 24. So, ang gagawin lang natin, isusubtract ang whole numbers. So, we have 8 minus 6 is 2. And then, the next step is subtract their numerators. So, 17 minus 9. And then, copy the common denominator. The common denominator is 24. And then, simplify. Now, we have 2. 17 minus 9 equals 8 over 24. Now, we have 2 and 8 over 24. Since 8 and 24 ay may common factor, so we need to simplify. We find the lowest term of 8 and 24. Okay, let's continue. We have 2 and 8 over 24. Then 2 and 8 over 24, we are going to find the greatest common factor of 8 and 24. Then, to find the greatest common factor, we need to factor 8 and 24. Factor of 8 is 2 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. Factor of 24, we have 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. Kukunin natin yung mga common factor ng 8 and 24. The common factor, 2, another 2, and then, again, 2. Okay, and then multiply natin yung tatlong factors na common ng 8 and 24. 2 times 2, 4 times 2 equals 8. So, ang GCF natin is equal to 8. The greatest common factor. Ito yung i-divide natin doon sa 8 over 24. We just copy the whole number 2. And then 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Therefore, the final answer is 2 and 1/3. Okay, so that is how to subtract mixed numbers with similar fractions.